In this video, we'll talk about how to open a demo account with AAAFx. Go to AAAFx.com, then click on the Join Now located at the top right corner. As you can see, we are redirected to the AAAFx login portal. Here, enter your login details. If you do not have an account, kindly refer to the video on how to register with AAAFx. Once done, click on Login. As you can see, we are in our secure client area. Now click on the Manage Accounts and select Create a Demo Account. Select the platform which you want to open an account with. And then, the type of account from ECN, ECN Plus, ECN 0, and Islamic. Here, select the leverage and the base currency. Lastly, create a password of your choice. And make sure it complies with the set terms. Once done, click on Create a New Demo Account. As you can see, the demo account has been successfully created. So, this was a brief overview of how to open a demo account with AAAFx. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support.